If you want to deploy your website on Hostinger, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the exact steps to upload your site files to Hostinger so your website goes live properly. This is a simple method, whether you're deploying a small portfolio site, a business landing page, or a full website project. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy web hosting tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, log into your Hostinger account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the website section. This is where Hostinger keeps all of your hosted sites in one place so you can manage them quickly and easily. Next, find the website you want to deploy and click Dashboard next to it. This opens the management area for that specific site, which is where you'll access your files and deployment tools. After that, look for the Files option and open File Manager. File Manager is the easiest way to upload your website directly to Hostinger without needing anything complicated. Once File Manager opens, you'll see your website's directory structure. From here, open the public_HTML folder. This folder is extremely important because it is the main public directory for your website. Anything you place inside public_HTML is what visitors will see when they open your domain. Now that you're in the right folder, click Upload. This is where you'll send your website files to Hostinger. You can upload a zip file if your project is packed into one archive, or you can upload folders and files individually, depending on how your site is organized. If you're uploading a zip file, wait for the upload to finish completely before doing anything else. Once the file is uploaded, select it and extract it right inside public_HTML. This step is important because the actual website files need to be unpacked and placed in the correct location for the site to work properly. After extraction, make sure your main files are in the right spot. For example, your index file should usually be directly inside public_HTML, not buried inside an extra folder. If your files are nested one folder too deep, your website may not load the way you expect, so take a quick moment to double check the structure and make sure everything looks clean and organized. If needed, move the extracted files up into the public_HTML route, so the site points to the correct homepage. Once that's done, your deployment is basically complete. At this point, you can refresh your domain and test the website in your browser. If everything was uploaded correctly, your site should now be live on Hostinger. This method is perfect for quickly deploying static websites, HTML projects, and simple web apps that don't require a complicated setup. If you run into issues, the most common problems are files being uploaded to the wrong folder, forgetting to extract the zip, or not placing the main index file in the root directory. So always verify the file path before assuming something is broken. And that's it. You now know how to deploy on Hostinger using File Manager and public_HTML. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more web hosting guides, and I'll see you in the next video.